everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is The Adetutu and today we are making a very simple meal. I am not a chef, I'm your everyday mom. I have two very hungry children in my house. They eat everything and anything. So this is a quick meal and I hope you enjoy it. Look, don't look for any perfection here. I'm one of those people that believe there are no rules to cooking. It's what tastes good and what tastes nice, and trust me, this one tasted really good. We've already had the lunch, but I just felt I should show you how we made this quick lunch. You don't need a lot, it doesn't cost a lot, and make sure that you like, share and subscribe at the end of the video.
Okay, the first thing I do is to fry the onions. I've used the same oil to fry the chicken, so I stir it for a bit before I add my peppers, and now I add my green and red peppers, and I just dice it the longer way because I like the aesthetics in my rice to be longer than the short ones. So I fry for a bit. They are just sweet peppers, they're not spicy at all. Then I add my ginger, my sausage and my spring onions. I mean, this is just colorful and beautiful vegetable to add to rice. I'm using Basmati Rice today, and I'll be adding some carrots as well. Then I stir it together. I want everything crunchy, so I'm not going to be stirring for long. I just want it to be nice and crunchy. I'm adding my spices now. This is a curry spice, and next I'm going to be adding my thyme. After the thyme, I'll be adding some oyster sauce. Yes, so regular brands you can find on shelves in stores. Then I added some oyster sauce to it after this. After the oyster sauce, I'll be adding some Maggi, just a little, because the oyster sauce is a little salty, so you don't want to use too much of salt or Maggi in your fried rice. Then I change my spoon to the wooden spoon. Though I'm using a non-stick pot here, but I don't like to take chances with the rice. It can still stick to the pot if you leave it on for a minute. Then I add my sweet corn last, because sweet corn has been pre-cooked, is canned, so I just like to add that last because I still want it crunchy at the same time. And after stirring it together, I'm going to pour in my pre-boiled rice. To get the color of this rice, just use the broth water from the chicken that you boiled. That's the umiero, that's what we call it. And you can see that our rice is done. It's actually done. I'll close it for a minute to get some steam in it, but the rice is actually done and it is perfect, just perfect. So after I open it from closing it, I take out my own, because in my house we have different tastes. I don't like to add the lettuce now. My children will not eat it raw. I like to eat my own lettuce raw, so I take out my portion so I can add my lettuce to it. Then after then I add the lettuce and we stir, and this is actually meal lunch for 2 days. So they're going to have it today and tomorrow, so they're going to pack away half of it in the refrigerator, and this is the result of the rice. Look at how beautiful and colorful this rice is. And of course the chicken was stirred in pepper for me, for my children. They don't like that, so this is the beautiful meal that we made. So quick, so easy. Let me know how you did in the comment section. And of course I paired it with a bottle of malt, and it's just amazing what a cold drink can do with a hot fried rice on a sunny afternoon. I added some rice, popped open my mouth, poured it in my favorite cup, and that's it. Just enjoy. I got this cup for 500 naira, by the way, in Olowe market. If you know, you know.
I told you that you will enjoy watching that video. Make yours and tell me what you think I could have done better in the comment section. I don't think there is anything better than a quick rice. My children particularly don't like all the vegetable inside, so I do not put too much. And yeah, let me know how you enjoyed yours. Cheers. See you. Bye.